How can I write a try/except block that catches all exceptions? How can I write a try/except block that catches all exceptions?
You can, but you probably shouldn't. However, this will also catch exceptions like keyboard interrupt, and you usually don't want that, do you? Unless you re-raise the exception right away. See the following example from the docs.
Apart from a bare except column clause, which as others have said you shouldn't use, you can simply catch exception. You would normally only ever consider doing this at the outermost level of your code if, for example, you wanted to handle any otherwise uncaught exceptions before terminating. The advantage of accept exception over the bare except is that there are a few exceptions that it won't catch, most obviously keyboard interrupt and system exit. If you caught and swallowed those, then you could make it hard for anyone to exit your script.
Very simple example, similar to the one found here. This URL. If you're attempting to catch all exceptions, then put all your code within the try statement in place of print performing an action which may throw an exception. In the above example, you'd see output in this order. 1. Performing an action which may throw an exception. 2. Finally is called directly after executing the try statement whether an exception is thrown or not. 3. An exception was thrown, or everything looks great, depending on whether an exception was thrown. Hope this helps.
You can do this to handle general exceptions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.